How to make Pinterest account, how to join Pinterest. If you want to make or join Pinterest accounts, all you have to do is simply open up the Pinterest app, and this is basically the kind of interface that you will see. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply make sure to basically go ahead and then first choose an email address you want to create your Pinterest app with, right? So once you enter an email, tap the continue option, then basically it will ask you to also create a password. So all you have to do is simply make sure to create a strong password that you will remember, then tap on the next option. Now this is if you want to create an independent account that is not linked with your Google, but you can also directly tap on continue with Google option here in order to directly sign in and link your Pinterest account with your Google account. So hope this video helped you as to how you can join Pinterest. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.